So I'll be showing you how to install the WhatsApp Messenger app on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these same instructions should apply to pretty much any iPhone. Now the WhatsApp application allows you to have video calls and audio calls with people who don't necessarily have FaceTime or iPhones, so it's a pretty useful app. So go to the Apple App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, just go to the search function and just do a simple search of WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, you should see suggestions. And this is the app you're looking for, WhatsApp Messenger by WhatsApp Inc. So make sure you get the correct app. And this button normally says get if it's the first time you're installing, but since I had previously installed it, then that's why I'm seeing this cloud icon. But either tap on this cloud or tap on the get button, depending on what you have. So as soon as you tap on it, wait for it to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. Of course, if it's the first time, you might be required to double press the side key to verify. But since I've done this before, it'll just skip that part for me. So once the installation is complete, you can now tap on open, or you can go to the app screen and find the WhatsApp icon. So you can launch it from there. And to set it up, it's pretty simple. So just go to agree and continue, tap on that, and then enter your phone number, the one you want to be using with WhatsApp. Of course, you're going to get these options to, do you want to allow WhatsApp to notifications? I'll just allow, and then enter your phone number. So I'll just enter mine and then tap on done, and it's gonna try to verify. Now, since I have a backup already on this phone, it's going to prompt me to install, to restore from the backup. So all I need to do is select the backup and tap on restore. Now, if you don't have this option, you can either tap, or you don't want it, especially if you don't want to use a backup, you can just tap on skip and start afresh. Or if you don't have a backup, it's not going to give you this option. It will take you straight to the next step. But since I want my backup, I'll just tap on restore, and it's going to download my backup from iCloud because I've used WhatsApp on my iPhone before. Now, sometimes if you're signed in, especially with your Google account, you might also be prompted to restore from a backup in your Google Drive account. Okay, so maybe if you're using WhatsApp on your Android phone, it might ask you to restore a backup from Google Drive, which is cool. So right now, I'll just wait for it to finish downloading and restoring my backups. Then I'll tap on next. It's going to retrieve my profile picture from the backup, and if you want to, you can put in your name, tap on done, and then the obvious permissions. WhatsApp would like to access your contacts, okay, and that's it. I'm now back in my WhatsApp account. Here are my chats, and it's currently restoring my media from the backup. And that's basically how to install and set up WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and good luck.